All right, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change the aspect ratio on your AMCON Satellite Digital TV. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote. If the TV screen size is not that fit for you, all you got to do is to pick up your remote and then do the necessary settings to set it to your preferred size. Or you press on the menu button on the remote, and the first page that will pop up is the picture settings. So you come to the picture menu and you use the arrow left and right, top and down, just to navigate through the menu, and you come down to the aspect ratio over here and you press OK on this. So as you can see, you have zoom 1, zoom 2, cinema over here, just kind of have 4:3, 16:9. So you check the screen size whichever fits you and you place it on it and you press OK to select, and you are good to go. So after selecting, it has been automatically set the screen size to the preferred option that you select over here. So as you can see, if you zoom in to zoom 1, zoom 2, as you can see, if you can really see the background pictures have been enlarged. So you select the preferred one and you are good to go. So that's it, and we have the picture mode over here too, that you can actually change it to your preferred either dynamic mode user, and you select it by pressing OK on it and you are good to go. You have the color temperature as well. You can also change that one to your preferred option. So that's it for this video. All you have to do if you are new to the channel is to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.